Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into the device. This links purchases to Icloud. Once signed in, open the App Store or wallet and redeem the Apple gift card to add funds to your Apple ID balance. Make sure your device is updated, because payment methods for iCloud subscriptions rely on current OS rules. After redeeming, check your Apple ID balance so you know exactly how much you have available for the iCloud storage plan purchase. Next, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and change storage to See Plans. You pick the plan that fits your usage, 50 GB for light needs or 200 GB/2 TB for family or heavy backups. This matters because larger plans cost more monthly. Once you select a plan, the system will charge your Apple ID balance first. Make sure your redeemed gift card covers at least the first billing cycle. You can top up later, if needed, to avoid interruptions. Finally, confirm the subscription under Subscriptions and verify the charge used your Apple ID balance. Once done, automatic renewals will continue to draw from that balance until depleted. Make sure to top up in time. If the charge fails, check your Apple ID balance and country/region settings because mismatches can block redemption. If the gift card didn't apply, try re-redeeming it, sign out and back in, or contact Apple support for help. They can quickly resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.